Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to answer one question. Where do you find Deepwing Leviathan egg sacs? Because relatively early on inside of Subnautica 2, you can find the Chermoy rot sacs and also the other ingredients to make Pavlova, but it doesn't actually tell you where you find the Deepwing egg sacs that are listed in the ingredients list. In fact, I don't think they're really supposed to tell you about that until much later in the game, but these are considered one of the rarest items inside of Subnautica 2, because when they show up, they don't stick around for very long. So inside of the game, in the later stages of the game, you gotta be in the areas where the water gets pretty deep in order to find these, is the Deepwing Leviathan. It's the only herbivore Leviathan in the game right now, as far as I can tell, and they just kind of show up periodically as you're playing in the later portions of the game, and you might not even notice that they're there because they like to skim along the surface as they lay their eggs. And these guys are some interesting looking creatures. They have their giant beak for scooping up what I assume is this planet's version of small phytoplankton above their face, which is around 8 eyes in the center of their body. And then they have these little spouts on either side of their body, these little channels that spew eggs all over the ground in a kind of greenish blue rain. Now the eggs themselves don't last very long. They fade almost immediately after they hit the ground, and not all of what comes out of these leviathans are actually egg sacs. Only a few of them in this giant mix and match, the larger ones that are glowing kind of bright and have more detail in the center of them, are the actual Deepwing egg sacs. The rest of them are just these little balls of oil that are kind of decoys that when you swim up to them to try to grab them just disappear like they've been shredded by the waves. My general advice for when you're trying to collect these is to just wait till they start to fade. They'll start to literally just disappear. And then the ones that are the actual egg sacs that you want will linger just a teensy bit longer than the rest of them, giving you a moment to zip over and grab them. Although after you've seen them a couple of times, it's pretty easy to identify which ones are the ones you can pick up and which ones aren't. And I've got about 10 of them now. Once you've got these, you'll need a chamoy rot sac, and then you'll need some of these sugar of Saturn that's made from lead, and then you mix that all together and you get Pavlova, which gives you a whole bunch of food, water, and it heals you for 10 hit points to boot. The best food in the game, but also a rare delicacy, so use it sparingly. That'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This is where you find the Deepwing egg sacs inside of Subnautica. They're really just all over the later stages of the game. You just gotta look out for the pod of the 3-4 Deepwing Leviathans swimming by overhead. You can't miss them, and then you'll be able to swim down and grab them. So that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.